Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and with Zoe. I am Zoe. Do you remember the project we introduced together a few days ago? That's right, it was CoinFlow. Today I have some news to share with you that the CoinFlow lending platform officially launched globally on August 10th. This is the brand new Web3 lending platform that focuses on stable returns, their community support and automatic settlement of smart contract for users who want to stable passive earnings and promotion reward. It is an early opportunity that cannot be missed. So without wasting your time, I will review this project. This video is for educational purpose. It is not a financial advice, so do your own research before investing in these projects. And now, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to all, so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So without wasting your time, I will start review of the CoinFlow. What is CoinFlow? It is a next generation Web3 lending platform which has completed their KYC and contract security audit and is fully based on on-chain operation. So the platform will break the traditional traffic structure and truly return traffic and rewards to the user. So it is a project which is on-chain and it is already launched on August 10th. So the detail is given, it is secure, it is KYC is given, but do your own research before investing. So on-chain transparency, asset controls, real-time revenue, interact wallets are given. You can see you can connect it with the wallet. I already connected with my MetaMask wallet. You can see it here. You can even connect that here. The latest customers are given here. You can select even the token. They have the support multiple languages given here, that it is a global community ecosystem. All profit and rebates are settled in seconds with the one withdrawal. Smart contracts can automatically transparent with the black boxes, and the promotion mechanism is simple and direct. Invite your friends can earn continuous income. So you can even go and invite your friend from that. I will share that link with you and you can easily be able to work on it. So the all asset access is authorized approval. Revenue automatically accumulates without a manual operation. You can even use ETH, USDC, USDT to collateral for instant return and flexible withdrawal. They have the risk hedging design, can help user to make money even in a market down. So if I share with you about that example, if you hold 100 ETH, even if the market falls, you can still use CoinFlow's daily return model that get a passive return of around 0.5 ETH per day with a monthly return up to $50,000. And they have given here the details. At the present, by observation, they are given here that this is the project you can go for, but do your own research. Invite friends to use a 10% of their earning and complete on-chain settlement. No application required. Real-time receipt. The earlier the layout, the earlier the snowball like accumulation of passive benefit. It is recommended to connect the wallet now, familiarize yourself with the platform and do your own research. So you can easily be able to join them on their community like their CoinFlow project on Twitter. You can even go and join them on their Telegram too, so that you can easily be able to get to know about it. Their about us is given. You can see the debit and credit option for these five: USDT, USDC, TRX, USDT and ATH. You can go for that further. You can go and see that contract address and add that money. First of all, you have to connect it with your wallet. All the details is given here, so I shared the details. So if you like the video, give thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comment. Thank you so much for watching.